Good morning, Clearborough, North Dallas. Just doing a walkthrough today on what we're working on this week, first week of March 2026. M8 full wrap expel stealth film. This is a matte paint protection film. We've already got the full front done. We'll go around a little bit later when we finish it up tonight. This is a full wrap on a BMW X5. It's all done, complete. You need to put a couple pieces back on, clean it up. We'll walk around that. That's Expel's Ultimate Plus film. And some window film XR Plus. And then outside there, you see on the camera there, we have a vehicle from a company called Orkin. We all know who they are. It's going to get a full front, some tint, and then that GX is going to get done. It's a new one here. It's kind of like the one I have. RSQ8 going to be a full. It's got to go out for a prep today. This is a car we did a while ago. It's back to do the chrome bumpers in a green PPF, a metallic green like this. And here is a 2026 Tesla S, last of the S plaids with the new front ends and some new interior sections. This is a full PPF installation underway. So once all this stuff finishes up, I'll do some additional videos on each one, and then we got some RVs coming later. So there it is, Clearborough, NorthDallas.com, getting underway today at 5 a.m. So take care, have a great day.